Let's dive into a common question that many salon and spa owners, as well as their clients, have. Can you message on Vagaro? This isn't just a yes or no question. It opens up a world of possibilities for streamlining your communication, enhancing client experience, and ultimately, boosting your business. Why direct messaging matters in the beauty industry. Before we specifically answer the Vagaro question, let's understand why direct messaging is so crucial in the beauty and wellness industry. First, there's the convenience factor. Clients want to easily ask a quick question about a service, confirm an appointment, or even just say they're running 5 minutes late. A quick message is often far more efficient than a phone call, especially if they're in a meeting or a noisy environment. For your staff, it means fewer interruptions from phone calls and more time to focus on clients in the chair. Second, it fosters stronger relationships. Direct messages feel more personal and immediate. It allows for a more casual and friendly interaction, which can build rapport and loyalty over time. Imagine being able to send a personalized follow-up message after a client's appointment, or a quick note about a new service you think they'd love. These small touches make a big difference. Third, it's about efficiency and organization. When all your communication is centralized within your booking and management platform, you have a clear record of interactions. No more hunting through separate email inboxes or trying to remember who said what over the phone. This streamlines operations, reduces miscommunication, and saves valuable time. Finally, in an increasingly digital world, clients expect businesses to be where they are. And where are they? On their phones, connected through various messaging platforms. Meeting them there is not just good customer service. It's essential for staying competitive. The power of Vagaro's communication tools. So, can you message on Vagaro? The resounding answer is yes, and then some. Vagaro offers a robust suite of communication tools designed specifically for the needs of salons, spas, fitness studios, and other service-based businesses. It's not just about simple back-and-forth messaging. It's about integrated, intelligent communication that enhances every stage of the client journey. Let's break down the key ways you can leverage Vagaro for powerful client communication. 1. Automated notifications, the foundation of good communication. While not direct messaging in the traditional sense, Vagaro's automated notifications are the backbone of effective client communication. These include appointment confirmations. Immediately after booking, clients receive a confirmation via email or SMS, reducing no-shows and ensuring clarity. Reminders. Customizable reminders sent a day or a few hours before an appointment significantly cut down on missed appointments. This is a game changer for your bottom line. Follow-up messages. After an appointment, you can set up automated messages to thank clients, encourage reviews, or remind them to rebook. This shows you care and keeps your business top of mind. Birthday greetings. A small touch that goes a long way. Automated birthday messages with a special offer can delight clients and encourage repeat visits. These automated messages save your team countless hours and provide clients with timely, essential information. 2. Two-way SMS messaging, real-time client engagement. This is where direct messaging truly comes into play. Vagaro allows you to engage in two-way SMS conversations directly from the platform. This means quick questions and answers. Clients can text your business line with questions about services, availability, or anything else, and your staff can respond directly from Vagaro. No need to switch between apps or devices. Appointment adjustments. If a client needs to reschedule or cancel last minute, they can text you, and you can manage the change directly within Vagaro, updating their appointments seamlessly. Running late notifications. Clients can easily text if they're running behind, allowing your staff to adjust their schedule or inform the next client. Personalized updates. You can send personalized messages about product recommendations, special offers tailored to their past services, or even just a quick, "We miss you" message. The beauty of this is that all communication is logged within the client's profile in Vagaro, providing a complete history of interactions. This is invaluable for providing consistent, personalized service. 3. Email marketing and campaigns, broader reach targeted messages. Beyond individual messaging, Vagaro's marketing suite allows you to send targeted email campaigns. While not direct messaging, it's a powerful communication tool for promoting new services, announce new treatments, products, or stylists, seasonal specials, offer holiday discounts or summer packages, newsletters, share salon news, beauty tips, or introduce new team members. Client segmentation. Target specific groups of clients with highly relevant messages based on their service history, preferences, or last visit date. This ensures your messages resonate and don't feel like spam. The integrated nature means you can easily pull client data from your Vagaro system to create highly effective, personalized campaigns. 4. Review management, encouraging feedback and building trust. While not a direct messaging feature for communication, Vagaro's review management tools are inherently tied to client communication. After a service, Vagaro can automatically prompt clients to leave a review on your Vagaro profile, Google, Yelp, or other platforms. This loop of feedback is crucial. Encourages reviews, makes it easy for clients to share their positive experiences, builds trust. Online reviews are powerful social proof, attracting new clients, facilitates feedback, gives you an opportunity to address any concerns directly, and show you value client input. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.